All four U.S. stock index futures were lower early but have flipped positive. The Dow right now, this is as I speak to you right now, is just above the flat line. The S&P is up 0.15%, the Nasdaq up about 0.25%, and the Russell is also just above the flat line, and all four are showing strength. Economic data out of the EU, industrial production came out at plus 1.2% year over year, higher than expected, and the first positive annual growth figure in nearly 2 years. Month over month also beat, coming in at plus 1.1% versus expectations of only plus 0.1%. President Trump is reportedly looking to pause auto tariffs, which is driving both foreign and U.S.-based auto stocks higher, and the EIA out of Paris followed OPEC's lead by dropping its global oil demand forecast for 2025. Crude oil is lower, but only by about 0.1% and is off the lows. Gold is slightly higher after a small drop yesterday. Silver is slightly higher, and copper is down about 0.2%. Treasury yields in the U.S. are barely changed across the curve, and the dollar is higher in the aggregate, but down against the British pound. The European Union paused their retaliatory tariffs for 90 days, according to reports, and they proposed a 0% for 0% deal to eliminate tariffs on industrial goods, including cars. This is being looked at as an extremely positive development by markets for the overall tariff situation. Fed Chair Jerome Powell is scheduled to speak tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time at the Economic Club of Chicago, and the topic of this conversation is the U.S. economic outlook. This is easily one of the most important events going on this week, putting tariffs in an interest rate context. Looking ahead, earnings today after the close, we have 6 companies with market caps over $1 billion reporting, including Interactive Brokers, United Airlines, and trucking company J.B. Hunt. Tomorrow before the open, we have another 11 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting, including ASML Holdings, the semiconductor giant from the Netherlands, Abbott Laboratories, and regional banks U.S. Bancorp, Citizens Financial, First Horizon, and Commerce Bank shares. We also have one of the largest insurance companies out there reporting earnings. Travelers is that company. Data tonight, we get Chinese GDP, their industrial production figures, and their unemployment rate. Tomorrow, UK and EU CPI data, retail sales in the US, and a Bank of Canada rate decision, all before Jerome Powell speaks.